Hiya guys, out on another little camp, and today it's a little Christmas themed one. I'm joined by my dad again.
Hiya folks, Merry Christmas.
We just got to camp now, our little camp spot, and we're going to set up our tarps and tent, and then we're going to get some food on. That's our spot for the night. Nice and flat. Rain's starting to come down a bit, but we'll get 2 tarps up there nicely, fit 2 tents as well. That's my setup done. Just a quick setup to get out of the rain. It's not the best pitch, but it keeps everything dry. I've chucked everything in my tent for now, just out of the way. I'll sort all that out in a minute. This is turning into an extremely wet one, but we're persevering. I'm going to try and set my wood stove up here now and cook gammon, potatoes, egg and beans. So yeah, absolutely soaking wet through, setting our tarps and tents up. But at least we're under him now, dry. My dad's just sorting all his stuff out over there. Right, let's get some grub on. Getting a nice brew going, because it's gone very cold. Absolutely chucking it down. Dad's just getting his brew ready. You having fun in this rain?
Yeah, it's alright now the tarp's up and that.
Right, let's get these potatoes on first. I've got some charcoals in the wood burning stove now. Potatoes are done. Just getting the oil ready to cook the gammon and the eggs and the beans. It's taking a bit longer on this wood stove, but it's actually nice to take your time and enjoy it. Going to enjoy this now before it burns. I'm battling with the rain here. It's not going to be my best filmed video, but right, we've got my food ready now. Gammon, potatoes, beans, and the eggs there hidden under the beans. Going to enjoy this now and try to stay dry. Right, the temperature has dropped drastically. So I've got my wood stove going as a little fire near my tent. Made a nice cappuccino. And I've got some nice pastries to enjoy. And then I've got my little... Is it Uko or Yuko?
I just say UCO.
My little UCO candle going as well. Give a nice little bit of ambient lighting. We're just having a shot of whiskey with a mince pie and then we're going to go to bed. But Merry Christmas everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers. That warms the old cockles up. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, folks.
We've got our Christmas lights on our tent, so I don't know if you can see it over there. And my dad's got his on here.
Ho, ho, ho.
Nice little fire going off the ground.
nice cup of chai.
Good little table, this box. Right, let's get a boil on. Right guys, that's us done for this year. One last camping for 2025. Nice Christmas camp. Leave no trace again, obviously. That's us done and we're off. See you in the next one, guys.
Merry
Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to check out my other videos. Have a good one.